Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our GDL employee account. So let's get started. So to log into your GDL employee account, what you have to do is first of all open up a browser. After opening up a browser, in search bar you have to search for GDL employee login. After searching for GDL employee login, now what you can do is just tap on this first option which says employee login. After tapping on employee login, now what you can do is just select this option which says employee self-service. And now you have to enter your email address. After entering email address, just tap on next. After tapping on next, now you have to enter your account's password and then tap on sign in. After tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot password. After tapping on forgot password, you can easily reset or recover your account's password. So do that, and after recovering your account's password, just come back to this login page and then enter the password that you have created. After entering that password, just tap on sign in and you will successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to sign into your GDL employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.